To add apps to a VIX website using VIX apps. Start by accessing the VIX homepage through your web browser. Click on the Login button in the top right corner and enter your email and password to gain access. Once logged in, select the Design Site option, which will take you to the VIX website editor. On the left side, you will see several sections, including Add Elements, Add Section, Page Menu, Site Design, Add Apps, My Business, Media, and CMS. Click on Add Apps to access the VIX app market, where you can browse and add various apps, such as social media icons, drop shipping tools, and more. You can explore trending options, search for specific apps, or select one that suits your needs. To add an app, simply click on it and then click Add to Site. Some apps are free to install. By following these steps, you can easily add apps to your VIX website.